There are countless narratives surrounding enigmatic organizations that purportedly wield control over the world. Yet the theories concerning a group, known as the Committee of 300, suggest something far more profound than a mere conspiracy. This clandestine assembly stands accused of orchestrating global politics, manipulating economic systems, influencing media narratives, and even directing military actions. Today, we embark on an investigation into the shadowy origins and pervasive influence of this enigmatic committee, seeking to uncover the truth behind the whispers of a hidden power. The genesis of this compelling theory can be traced back to 1909. It was then that Walter Rathenau, a prominent German politician and industrialist, made a cryptic reference to 300 individuals who, he claimed, determined the economic destiny of the European continent. He characterized this elite group as individuals intimately acquainted with one another, who meticulously selected their successors from within their own exclusive circles. Over time, this intriguing notion evolved, becoming the bedrock of a sprawling conspiracy theory. This theory posits the existence of a secret organization, allegedly founded by the British aristocracy in either 1727 or 1729, which covertly governs the world. Esteemed researchers and theorists, such as Dr. John Coleman, a former British intelligence officer, have famously dubbed this elusive group the Olympians. According to Dr. Coleman's extensive investigations, the Committee of 300 functions as a parallel secret government. Its reach, he asserts, extends so far as to exert control over the governments of both Britain and the United States, among others. The overarching objective of this powerful entity, Coleman claims, is the establishment of a new world order. This ambitious agenda envisions a single, centralized global government where power is consolidated and exercised across the entire planet. The committee is accused of directly influencing critical sectors, including global banking, the pervasive reach of the media, the strategic deployment of military forces, and the intricate web of international commerce. It is widely believed by proponents of this theory that even major global conflicts, intricate economic policies, and the imposition of tax increases are meticulously orchestrated under their clandestine direction. Numerous influential organizations are alleged to be intricately linked to this committee, serving as its instruments of power. These include, but are not limited to, the Venerable Royal Institute for International Affairs, RIIA, the influential Council on Foreign Relations, CFR, the secretive Bilderberg Group, the Trilateral Commission, and the intellectually formidable Club of Rome. Theorists firmly believe that each of these organizations operates as a vital tool for the Committee of 300, meticulously extending its influence across diverse sectors and geographical regions of the world. They are seen as conduits through which the committee's will is subtly yet effectively implemented, shaping global events from behind the scenes. These theorists further contend that the hidden hand of this mysterious group is the driving force behind a multitude of significant global events, profound political transformations, and widespread economic upheavals. The extent of their alleged influence is so profound that, in certain critical instances, even national leaders are believed to act in accordance with the committee's meticulously crafted agenda. Coleman and other researchers have controversially argued that pivotal historical events, such as the assassination of Swedish Prime Minister Olof Palme and significant shifts in the policies of former U.S. President Ronald Reagan, bear the unmistakable fingerprints of this committee's involvement, suggesting a deeper, more sinister orchestration. So, are the narratives surrounding the Committee of 300 merely elaborate works of fiction, or does a truly mysterious and powerful force genuinely determine the fate of our world? While a definitive and unequivocal answer to this profound question remains elusive, the intricate web of information and the compelling sequence of events woven around this theory compel us to engage in a deeper, more critical reflection on the nature of our global society. Whatever the ultimate truth may be, the enduring saga of the Committee of 300 persists as a captivating subject, perpetually igniting humanity's timeless curiosity about the intricate dynamics of power, control, and the profound allure of the unknown, urging us to question what lies beneath the surface of apparent reality.